Hey everybody, it's Pro Trader Mike, and it's January 27th, Tuesday, around lunchtime. I'm going to do the MOJO Day Trading Room video recap for the day. All right, everybody, here's the poll for the day. Ching, how did we do after taking a loss on RIT in the morning? Did we hit our goals after being down for the day? Did we hit our daily goal? Double it, triple it, lost money? How'd we do today? Show me some money. We had 100 and change in the room this morning. We had 100 and change in the room this morning. We only got about 60 left. 5 people have hit their goals. 2 doubled it. 1 person lost money. They may be new to the room. Let's check it out. Always like to wonder why. Trader Rose, yeah, you're new to the room down there. Wondering how you lost. Paper traded, made money, and 5 hit their goal. 2 doubled their goal. Show me some money. Who made some money today after taking a loss on RIT in the morning? Okay, and here's one thing that you should consider. Considering today that we were down 400 points, and we were saying all day today that today was not a normal day. For you to say you haven't hit your goal, I would say, look, on a normal day, I jump 10 feet. But it's a blizzard, and New York is shut down, and the stock exchange is all messed up. The market's down 400. Stocks aren't doing. So maybe my daily goal, I shouldn't go for a 10 jump. I should go for a 5 jump. So considering today, the people that have not yet hit your goal, Pro Trader DC, have you hit your goal now? Let's put it into retrospect. Trader CJet 500. CJet. You made like 5 grand yesterday, dude. Considering today and yesterday, going into today with the market, readjust your goal. Have you hit your goal for today? So the 4 people that haven't, I would readjust your goal and take a look at it. Exactly. For today, you got to make that adjustment. We did a trade down here in Jasso, right here. See that? 778. Bought the pants off that. First thing we did is we sold it up here. Then we bought it here. Then we rebought it humongously huge there. And when I mean huge, at 1020, here's the signal. At 1020. Let's go back to 1020. Adding 5,000 Jasso at 780. Added 5,000 Jasso, average is now 788. Adding 5,000 more Jasso at 786. Added again at 782. Added 785. Adding, 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 adding. Up 10 cents now at 7.96. Sold from 7.83 average into the 90s. Sold up into this. 96. Cha-ching. Alan said he's going to have his first loss in a long time. And I just said, listen, you know, patience. We're going to make it back. We took the loss in RIT, 5 cents, 4 cents, whatever it is. We're going to move and we're going to go into JASO. See, RIT's dead. So Alan says here, might miss my goal for the first time in a long time. And I said, no, listen, the Dow's down 380. Don't worry about it. Okay. They need some ramble on. I like that. I got some ramble on. Let me see if I got that ramble. So we got that. So thinks he's gonna lose, but I say, listen, we're not. Excuse me. We're gonna get into some Zayop, which made a beautiful move. Amazing display of positive expectancy. Amazing display of patience. Patience, one of Major Mojo's hallmarks. So he's now positive. Patience is something a long time to learn, but profits fly with patience. The best gift I ever gave Alan was patience. Alan's got a run. He did 3,175 for the day. Excuse me. Go-Go's moving. I like Go-Go. Hey, Stock Junkie, remember I mentioned Go-Go to you last night, brother? I mentioned the Go-Go and the MOJO. The Go-Go. So, Go-Go's moving. Look at that. 5-minute beauty. So we played. Lucky I'm not in a big trade right now. My mouse went out. Got to replace the batteries. Look at that. Sometimes that happens. You're in a trade. You're like, oh, yo. People be like panicking. Oh, I put the battery in the wrong way. Oh, I put upside down. Oh. Fixed. So Zayop, we traded right here through $9. Right there. Sold it right there. It was a nice call in the room. And I didn't even do it. I got my other hunters looking for the Hineses. Excuse me. So we have nice day today. Benjamin 600, DC 270, Richard 300, Iota 312, Ince 190, Bohan 328, Warlock 71. Nice. Missed the Zayop. Small gains on written Zaso. Okay, no problem. Who gave me Zayop? Richard at 11:35. 11:35. Thank you, Richard. Right there. Said, yep, I like it. Going through 9. Thank you. 9:13. Thank you. 9:24. Thank you, Richard. There we go. Thank you, Richard. Zayop 9. There you go. Anybody else make money today? Bad day today. Dow's down 346. Mojo's making money again. Had to take a loss on RIT. RIT was bought this morning. Let me show you the loss on RIT. So RIT this morning. It was not a loss completely because we sold it and then we bought it back. So RIT, we bought it at 48, 52, and 55 and sold it at 62 for a 7-cent gain. Then we rebought it back at 54, 53 to have an average of 44. And we sold it at 38 for a 6-cent loss. So it kind of like offset each other. Got out of that loss, got into JASO, and rode JASO up beautifully. Array bought Array through 750, sold at 765. Array made a new high right after that. Then we bought Plug at 310, sold it at 315, and then it went to 325, of course. Then we RIT 142, it's just doing nothing. CSIQ doing the lag on JASO. EXXI played from 299 to 311. ZIOP, here it goes, 897, 904 sold, 908 sold, 908 sold, flat. Nice call on ZIOP. And that's it. So we did really great today. And just happy about everything. Sometimes I grow so tired. But I know I got one thing I got to do. And now it's time is now. Sing my song. Oh, Trader Xmas is down 308. How's that? AJ 750 Mojo account 25,000 to 66. Short 10,000 array 77. Happy. Okay. Nice. What is array? Good. My man. Christmas, you're down 308. How's that, buddy? We had one losing trade, RIT, for 6 cents after the original one this morning. So you must have scaled in bad or something. Send me your trade log. See, a lot of traders right now in the room, we have, well, you should have made a profit in the beginning. So you did it to yourself. We have right now 67 left in the room, bunch of pro traders. After tonight's test, we have 30 new pro traders going to be added into the room. Tomorrow, there'll be over 85 to 90 pro traders in the room. Really happy about that. Yeah, I know. Let me show you what if you send me your trade logs, I can help you. Let me show you what I'm doing. Yo, Fire, you mind if I share your trade log that I'm helping you with? Trader Fire? Thank you, man. Appreciate it. So Trader Fire is in Mojo University, and he sends me his trade logs, and I'm helping him out and really grooming him along. Let me show you. So I made a column. First, I updated his sheet to make it look better, and then I added a column for my own feedback. Let me show you. And I would recommend every trader doing this because I take the time to do it for you. This is not the one I did. Let's take a look. I don't think I got the right one. I'm not looking at the one that I updated with my own feedback. You got that link? I got another one. From one of the other traders. So here's one. Let me ask the trader if I could share it. Hold on. Yo, Hammond, can I share your trade log? He ain't even here. Shit. I can share it. I'll just take his name off. So here's his trade log he sends me every day. And he started live on the 16th. His first trade was an FXCM move, average price 152. Mojo's was 140, sold at 440 after hours. He made $2 grand. First JDS trick, he got stuck with a good stock with volume. Made 144. First trade, trend trade, JDST. Didn't take the second trade, would have been up large. This one, first trade in CYTR, broke the rule of 1 million shares pre-market. Didn't get the same price as Mojo. I need to be quick and nimble. 5 cents was hard to get. I sold my last. Second trade was BBRY, and he really does it in tune there, and he's up 2,200, and there's his goal, and he keeps his sheet and he sends it to me. Let me show you what I'm doing with one of the other traders. He's a little bit more active as far as wants me to work with him. Here it is. Yeah, this isn't the one I updated, bro, with my notes. I know you sent it to me, but it doesn't have Mike's feedback in the extra column, and doesn't have that. And there's only 2 trades on it, not 4. So I don't know what's going on. I guess I missed it, Rose, because I don't see that signal. Still in JASO, not complaining. I've done very well. Okay, you're still in JASO, so you're up. JASO's 86. That's weird. I can't open up your email fire with the notes that I've done. I'm getting the wrong. Private message me the link that you have that shows me my comments on yours, because I'm showing one that's not. I'm here also in Ticker TV. If anybody wants to chat, Ticker TV. Dow's down 346. We did really, really good today. It was one of those bad days, and we really pulled it out nice. Really pleased. It's respectable. No, no Apple. Okay, I just want to show you the swing portfolio, how my swing picks, the people that are in the swing, how they hold up in a market that's down 400 points. ABCD, Mojo's longest term swing right there, made a little tippy red, but no volume. We own it at $1.65. It's 256. Do a little swing update while I got my peeps watching. So right here, and I sold some more others. So let me show you what we've done today, give you a little update. So we got Goodrich Petroleum at 285, up 11.33% right now. I sold half of Goodrich at 275 yesterday. So Goodrich, you get another quarter out of it today. See Goodrich Petroleum. This was half position. And these are all halves. Penn Growth, these are all halves. They were all sold yesterday. Imogen, Penn Growth, and Goodrich Petroleum were all closed yesterday into their highs. And now they're going to be closed again into some more highs. So a position gets closed now and a position gets closed at the end of the day. There's no rush swing trading. Position is 3/4 closed today. Got that mojo swing? So we're looking GDP 290 high, PGH 292 high. You know why I picked Good Rich Petroleum? Because it's got rich in the name. That's why. Gotta love the Good Rich Petroleum. 290s on both. That's nice. So this one went up from 275 to 290, and this one pretty much stayed the same at 290. But it's all good for me because a profit's a profit. Every time I update this sheet, people get alerts that I've updated it. It's in real time. Everything changes, all these prices, the Dow down 342 and all these, they change in real time. Every minute. It's all Google Doc. It's awesome. So Oxy sure is down a little bit today, no problem. All these other ones are just floating around. LRAD's up 2%. We got CWST's up today. Beautiful. Whoops. Whoops, did the wrong color. Gotta do green. And Appy's up. Every swing pick is up. And the market's down 400 points. So if you're in the wrong swing service, you should be in with the mojo because every swing pick is up, and if they're down less than 3%. They don't even go down on volume or any selling. Okay? Meal is doing great. You guys doing great, up 17%. Everything's just doing great. So we have closed for the month some really excellent trades. 72 for 71 for 99%. Average gain 11.4%. May have gone up. Average gain 11.56. Average hold 7 days. No, I didn't get you guys. I'm in a position of a quarter left from an original buy at 313 right there. I bought it on January 22nd. It was a pick at 313. 3/4 of the position have been sold. It hasn't reversed enough to be maximized out right here. You guys. Position closed 3/4 high 371. So you're wrong, diabetes. Thanks, though. I'm glad you're policing my picks. Thanks. Anything else you'd like to know? I'm a whiz of information. We took profit on Jivo this morning. Let me show you. Jivo was up 50% this morning. Jivo sold at 44 this morning, up 29%. Here's the signal and the bid on Jivo. Right here. Jivo had traded 50,000 shares. They were trading it up 44 bid right there. So if you say, hey, I didn't see the stock, how did you just say, didn't you just say you sold Jivo at 44? And I'd be like, yeah, I did. And you'd be like, well, come on now, it didn't trade to 44. It's at 35 is the high. Well, pre-market, it traded to 44, and it was there for a while. If you go back on the 1 minute into the pre-market right here, 37, 38. Here's the spike to 44 on 40,000 shares. There's another spike right there. So this bar traded 10 at 41. This bar traded another 10 at 40. So you had plenty of liquidity to take out a couple thousand shares up there easily. And that's when I nailed it when the 44 bid got done. You resent that fire? Let me check that out. So here's his spreadsheet right now. The first day he traded, he entered the stock. He started with a 5G account. Here's my feedback. Never rebuy unless I give you the signal. I rarely rebuy a mini Hines because they run through 60. So he entered the stock. It shot right up through mini Hines and immediately went back. And he bought in less than 5 minutes. Did not have the capital to do a bump trade. So he bought too many shares too quick, and he bought a mini Hines going back under. I never do that. This one, he entered the trade and didn't scale in properly. He bought 1,000 shares, leaving him no money for buying power. I say right here, wait for my number 2 as your number 1 and scale in properly. Then he traded Array through Hines, and he should have doubled at 98 and 99, and he sold for a nice gain. So he did nice there. He did nice on Jasso. He should have made more, and he left money on the table. And right here, he bought when Mike said buy the second time and sold, went to sell. He's getting the hang of it. And I said right here, I didn't even read your first one yet, and my advice was from trade number 2, stay on the reservation and wait for my number 2. So right there, even before I read what he said on this one, was my recommendation on this one. So I'm giving him my feedback. He's cruising along. And then that's it. He lost 495, but he's made it back in this, and he's learning, and he's going small, and that's it. He's made 5 trades, and we're keeping track and making sure he's scaling in correctly, doing the right job, and trading correctly. And he's in Mojo University. Anybody can get a copy of that trading log. Absolutely. Make one for yourself. Send me an email. Jasso's firming up. ADSX is probably going to squeeze through 10 now again. Everyone's going to get squeezed. Jasso's heading up to 90. Good job, everybody. Don't miss it again at 794. Don't get greedy. Half and half. If it goes higher, you got the other half. If it reverses, you get out. Same thing we did last time. It's respectable. I think I got a blank trading log in my Google Drive. Let me take a look. Anybody wants that trading log, just shoot me an email. I give it to you. Let me share a really nice email that I got today. Mike, this is my first paid trading course. Going through MOJO University, took the transition out of a full-time role into doing this for a living and making it a business. I'm naturally driven and look for those like-minded. I uploaded a video recently on my golf record keeping and my improvement techniques that inspired me. Your focus and goal-driven approach is truly inspiring, and I bet many do not appreciate that to its full extent. I choose MOJO for that reason, and I knew I selected correctly when I entered the course. The course is the best described as invaluable. Content was uniquely delivered and teaches such a unique way of trading and market insight like you've never seen. I have a thirst for constant education and self-improvement. I've made me hungry for more. I'm going to utilize what I've learned, practice it, master, become one of the most best businessmen I've created. Love that. Day trading log. I got one right here. So I just made a stock trading log for you all. Really good one. Check it out. This is what I just made for you all. So you have your date. You have your date, symbol, entry, exit, scalp, what kind of trade play, your notes, and then my feedback. Okay? So this is now your alls. Enjoy. Use it. Send it to me, and I'll add my feedback in your column. Okay? Jasso 90, keep an eye, keep an eye. Appy's at a new high. Casella Waste at a new high. Moby's doing good. Amron's doing good. We got it. LRAD's at a high. New high of the day. ABCD new high of the day. PGH and GDP settled down, but they're both doing good. 295 on GDP, good rich petroleum. And you know why I picked it? Because it's got rich in the name. I do that sometimes, you know. Got 4 oil stocks to pick. Which one do I like? The one with rich in the name. I'm a rebel.
Last night a little dancer came dancing to my door. Last night a little angel came from bed on my floor. She said, come on baby, I got a license for love. And if it expires, rain from above, because in the midnight she can't go more. So with a rebel, yeah, she can't more. In the midnight.
Keep an eye on a squeeze on Array. The market needs to pump into some stock. It's got nice volume. It's like the only one left with like volume. Nice trade on ADSX before. It's a buy right here of probably 77 bounce. 72 to 77 Mojo. Absolutely. Info at MOJO Day Trading. My email. Shoot me. Get me going. Plugs back to 23. Came all the way down to 13 before. We bought it at 11. Sold it at 16. Went to 23. Came all the way back down. Look. So we bought it here. Right there. We sold it here. It went there. And then like 2 minutes later, it's right back down. And then it went all the way back down to 13. And then I didn't want it again. Array is going to go through 84 though.
She don't like slavery, she won't sit and beg. But when I'm driving on bed, she's legitimate. Watch set you free and watch it to me.
Anybody got any questions? Any stocks you want me to look at? Dow's down 308. It's coming back a little bit. Otherwise, Mojo Day Trading, we've completed our mission for the day, and we come back and we do the same thing tomorrow. Let me show you my day trading log. Himmix? Gotcha. What a great pullout for the day. So here's my day trading log right here. FXCM, biggest score in Mojo history, $141 to 401. Some people sold 450. So I go right here. Today's the 27th. We did about 10 trades. So I enter those lines below. This is like my golf scorecard that I keep every day, religiously. Got to keep it. Got to do it. It's easy to do, and you get better doing it each time. So I'm on trade 200, 201, 202, 203, First trade of the day we lost on RIT, R-I-T-T, from $1.42 to $1.38. Actually, we made from the first trade was 152 to 160, and the next trade we lost. Which was 142 to 138. It was a little bit higher. It was about 6 cents. Perfect. That was a stopping station. Then we started making money on JASO twice. And I'm going to stop here because I'll add these in later and I'll do that recording. And that's how I record all my trades. Yes, ADSX was a buy at 77 to 82. You can go right here again. So there's your left jab, 72. Take your 200 now. So your 100 was 72. Let's call it 74. This is an easy scale. Your 200 is 57. And now 300 and a 400 goes easy. Lower or higher by 4 into the next increment. So it's either going to be at like 48 and 20 and 31 for your 4 and 3, and or it's going higher at 64 and 66, which is here, 64 and 66. And now at 77, you're very profitable where you bought originally. JASO's doing good. Let me look at those stocks for you. Ready? HIMIX, 879, 5-minute V-band already created. Going to tail off, maybe go up a little bit more. Very risky. I would not touch it with a 10-foot pole. See right here? Here's your buy. You're riding up. You hop on your snowboard. Right there, you get off on the chairlift. You just rode that up. Get up, ride that baby. Oh, look at that. Back flip 360. Come on down. Do up another one. Look at that. Twister. Come on down. You're right on the line. You're right on the line. It's ready to crack. Now you got, so I wouldn't touch it. Netflix, NFLX. Daily's looking good. 5-minute, same exact scenario. I wouldn't touch it with a 10-foot pole. Here's your buy right there. Created off of that red one. You rode it up. You're on the chair. You're riding that thing. It's breaking STO right now. I wouldn't touch it with a 10-foot pole. You want to buy when it's touching. Look, touch. Buy 445. Sell here, 448. Buy here, 448. Sell here, 452. Okay? ZGNX. Oh, Zynga. Yeah, I've had that on my watch list. Daily's nothing. It does nothing. Next, ZGNX. $1.40 on 2.6 million. It's already played. It's done its room. These are the biggest bars it makes right there, right there, right there. They're all the same exact size. Where's it going to go? This one, and then it'll get spanked down. It's already played out for the day. Done. Can't get nothing out of this one. You're in a flag pattern for another 2 hours. Here's your wave theory. You ready? Wave number 1, biggest run of the day. Wave number 2, a little smaller, and now you're in wave theory. It's MOJO wave theory. You're in this one now, and then the next one's this one until it decides which way it wants to go. So easy. Anything else? Show me a good one, baby. That's about it. Anybody else? See, look, same exact thing, ADSX. You want to be buying right here where we're buying. See that? Now you wait, it'll ride up above 80%, it'll go back, and then you start selling, which will probably be around 75, 80. People, oh, look at that, it's 75, 80. Oh, look, it looks good, and it'll take us right out of it. NVIV, 2.3 million at 235, signals at 229. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. I can tell you right now, though, it's done. Look at this volume bar. The most it ever went up was 27 cents. So what has it got, 7 cents to go for its peak? Put it at 234 and get whacked right back down. The most you can make is 4 or 5 cents on this stock. And it's got to make a volume bar like that. So that's the biggest move it's ever made, was right here. 3.4 million, and it's not doing that today. $1.77. So it's a 180 to 220 is 40 cents. It can maybe go to 235. You may be able to get 6 cents out of that, out of something like that. It's got volume for you. NVIV is not that bad, Dakota Dan. What's the difference between Heinz and Mini Heinz? I'll show you on Zayop. Zayop Mini Heinz is $8.50. Heinz is $9. Heinz moves at 100 miles an hour. Mini Heinz moves at 60. Got it, Serrano? All right, I'm going to put out a buy for the swing pick. I'll share with all of you on medical marijuana. Usually I do both picks, medical marijuana and PHOT, but I think I'm just going to do MGNA first. Major likes it. MG&A pick is out. ADSX start taking some profits. It's going to move right now back into 70s. What do I think of JDST? Not today. ECTE, take a look at it for you. 210 on 9,000 shares, no volume, I wouldn't touch it. Sure, that's fine. Long term, I like other stocks better, Phil. I sent out that pick already. That was quick. That's how I handled the swing. Oh, nice. A lot of people asking me for a copy of my, all the traders are asking me. I got a copy of my request for that copy of the day trading log. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 of you. Very nice. And I just sent out the pick on MG&A right there. Swing newsletter, new pick MG&A, 1 buy, 12 to 12.5 cents. Done. So right here, just going to update this log real quick because it wasn't a big day. So first trade we did was we sold at 162 the RIT. And then we bought back, and then we got that second one we took the loss in. Then we bought Array through 750 and sold in the 60s. And that's a mini Heinz. So here's the exact trades. We bought Array through, it wasn't even at 750 yet, and we sold it half at 65 and into the high at 770. $0.20 on that move. 48 to 68. Plug 310 average. Sold it at 15. Went to 23. Jasso 796. Adding. Array buy more 752 and low. We got filled there at 48 again. Jasso add 82, 83. Array sell above 755. Profit time on Array 755. Adding Jasso 784 plug flat. Add it onto Jasso. Penny. Made a dime there. Sold 57. I think we sold into 61. Have some left. Yep, we got 58. Made a dime. Array sold. RITT filled 35.36. RITT back at 42. So yeah, some people, I didn't lose as much. Some people did. Big deal. I bid it there. I got some at 35. Went right back to 42. So I added big time on Jasso at 80. Another 5,000. And it brought my average down right there. Huge. Another 5,000 on the way up at 86. And Array filling again at 48. So JASO average is 780. I think it's like 82, 83.0 and change. You'll see as it gets a little higher. Finishing the day off in style. JASO is going to go back to 8. We're going to make 2 times our goal. CSIQ 2012, JASO 787 with the lag. Added JASO again. Trader remote, good catch on ZIOP 880 to 90 to go through 9. ZIOP was to 910. Average 905. Steam time choo-choo on CSIQ. EXXI 299 to 311. That was a good Heinz right there. Let's see. ZIOP selling right there. Half at 95, the other half over. There it goes. 904, 908. Average was 905. JASO average 783.83. Say 784. JASO sold 794. So that was nice. And Array we sold again in the 60s. That was the same again. Done. Beautiful day. So we finished up at 208. 5 losses for the month is 203. 98%. Average scalp 13 cents. So ADSX, we're in that one right now. And let's go revisit. So I'll get this thing pushing up here. That's it, you're taking profits on that. Amron's doing really nice. ABCD, I'm waiting for it to pop. MGNA's done, nice, good job on that. Appy, Moby, PGA, everything's doing good. Can't believe CSIQ went to 70 and JASO's not over 8 yet. That's surprising. But what could you do? We made money. That's all that matters. So ADSX, start taking your profits as it goes through here, and then do your thing, and then that's it. Very nice update for the day. Let's take a look back at ticker. CLF, halt pending news. WLDN. You want me to look at that one for you? Sure. Wildman Group, 123,000 up $1, terrible volume. Very nice daily. I wouldn't touch it. Stock can go right down 50 cents on you, 30 cents in a heartbeat. If it was trading 1.2 million, I'd reconsider, but at 123,000 up $1, no way. Quickly decision made in 30 seconds, in 3 seconds. CLF, Cliffs Natural Resources, good. I'm not in it. I'm glad I'm not in a stock that halted trading. Last time I was FXCM. Gave me a little agita nightmare. I consider myself lucky. $1.50 to $4.50. I'll stay away from them. Very nice trading today. That's all I can say. And that's pretty much it. We can end it on a ride like the wind. And I'll see you tomorrow. What do I think Microsoft will fill the gap? I don't trade those stocks. In an orderly market, maybe. No. It won't. You want to see an example? No fill-in. GoPro, look. No little gap down, no fill-in. You won't get any of these fill-in. You won't get any of those filled in. Any of the ones that have gapped down, none of them are coming back. None of them. Show me one with a big gap down like that. No way. None of them are coming back. Look here. Look at Radio Shack. It did that. Look. Gap down here. It ain't filling back in. It ain't going back up to 46 to 55 where we sold it last time. Unless they get some buyout news or whatever. Look at the bid. 540,000 on the bid at 32. It's big. All right, ADSX is at 70, taking people out right now on the ass. Good job. Anybody else have any questions before we split? 75 on ADSX. Don't get greedy. Don't get greedy. How's that for a bottom? See, that's where you want to buy, right here. And now we're selling up into the 80%, and we'll scale the rest out of it right there. Beautiful, right? Low 677 to 82. I teach that in MOJO University. How'd I know that? System. ABCD's up today on low volume, 7,000, 260. No, meal is at 150. Went to 155 today. It's got them both. Haven't touched any of them. Still holding. I got you guys too. Quarter left. Here's one coming out of a base, looking pretty nice, which is this EXEL. Keep an eye on that one. Big short interest on that stock. Here's one I saw 2 weeks ago too. Looked pretty interesting out of a base, CVEO. See, here's a gap down. See, that's what's going to happen with Microsoft. See? Look, nothing. There's Microsoft for you. Oh, I got a gem. You ready? Gem. Taser. Heinz, 28 bucks. Yup. Heinz, 28 on Taser. Big size at 28. Right there's your signal. Mojo. Heinz. Taser if you'd like. It's going right through 28 bucks. No one can stop it. Everybody's short it. And then we'll leave on this trade. Okay? Little Heinz action.
Boy, your ketchup's slow. You mean your mom doesn't buy you Heinz? No, why should she? Wait till you taste it. What do you think? Can I stay over tomorrow night too?
Thick, rich Heinz ketchup. The taste that's worth the wait.
ISIS, sell at 72. Are you giving signals out of my room, 10 pause? What are you doing, dude? ISIS is a piece of shit. No, I don't short. I don't short. ADSX filled sells at 970. More to go. We'll wait for Taser to Hines, and then we'll kill it. Ride like the wind. Rock it, baby. Hold your hat. Mojo U, are those people crazy at $27.99? Why wouldn't they go chill with their buddies at 92? The stock just came from 27.38. You want to know why? They're crazy, they're stupid, they need stock, all of the above. Cha-ching, say goodbye. Yo, you take 100 traders, you say, look at this stock right now with all that size on the ask at $27.99. Would you buy that? 100 traders would say no. Mojo? Yes. Watch. Normally, this stock would be trading like 3 million shares. The thing is like dead today with this market. Look at that. 4 million, 1 point. It's got a little bit of room to go. It's got a little room. Jasso 85. And that's pretty much it for today. Got my natural alternatives kicking up a little bit, up 3%. I take it. And that's pretty much it. What's the target on Taser? What do you think? Array's 93. 95. Long array through Hines. Long filled. 790 fill. Array. Filled 89. I don't know how. They just filled me on some. That's how. Just filled 87. Tasers through 28. Yo, 10 pause. What do you think on taser, dude? You asked me a question. Don't leave me hanging, dude. Don't do that. Okay, that sounds good to me. Average on array is 91. I'll sell here into the ask and hold half. Selling at 94. Got filled down as low as 87. Too risky up here. I'm taking the little it's giving me. Done. All right. Made some money on it. That's cool. And I got a rebate because I bought it on the bid and I sold it on the ask. Very nice. And Taser's not doing anything either. It's not a normal day. It's not a normal day today. That's all. That's why. It ain't going to 30. It may go to 33, but the Dow's down 250. Nothing's really happening. Because of earnings on what? The New York City's closed down as a snowstorm. That's pretty much it. Nothing's going on. Be ending it. Let's see here. That's about it. Nobody has any more questions? We will see you tomorrow because it's just strange days here. It's weird. Market.
Strange days have fallen. Strange days have tracked us down. They're going to destroy our crashing will joy. We shall go on playing on our child.
Peace, everybody. Have a good one. I'll see you tomorrow. Pro Trader Mike signing off. Later.